Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn a Facebook account into a page. First of all, open the Facebook app. When you open up Facebook, click on the menu option from the bottom right corner. Go into your profile from here. Once you get into your profile, click on three dots from the top right corner, which will take you to Profile Settings. Scroll down in Profile Settings and click on Turn on Professional Mode. Then tap to turn on the professional mode. Now you've successfully turned your account into professional mode. After that, go back to your home page and you can see the dashboard of your account. Then get back to the menu and open up your profile. Set up your profile according to professional account requirements, and then you will be good to go. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.